Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you are watching Study with Jahnavi channel. In this session, we are going to discuss what to do after completing BTech in Mechanical Engineering. But before going to the video, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Candidates pursuing BTech or BE in Mechanical Engineering always have some plans for future career options after graduation. These plans might change during the 4-year phase of engineering, but at some point of time, candidates finally decide where they want to head to. If a candidate has decided on something, it is advisable to explore the other options available to them, and this video will help you to get clarity for your career. Mechanical engineering is one of the core branches of engineering and considered as the toughest branch. There are ample of opportunities post-BTech for all the eligible candidates in different fields. Here, this channel provides you a list of career opportunities for mechanical engineering graduates, which will give an idea of direction where the candidate's career should be moving, and in case candidate has still not decided what to do, they can make a suitable choice depending on their interest. What are the career opportunities after BTech in Mechanical Engineering? You have ample of opportunities for mechanical engineering. First thing is go for government jobs. Mostly every mechanical engineer aims for this goal during their graduation. Government jobs include the PSU, ISRO, BARC, ESE, railways, or state PSC specific to their engineering discipline. Most of the PSU recruit through GATE exam, while remaining conduct their own exams only. If a candidate is aiming for government jobs, then they should begin their preparation from the pre-final year itself, so that candidates can give their best shot and get their dream job in government sector. Second career opportunity is fly high with higher studies. Candidates can pursue higher studies either in their technical field or non-technical field such as MBA. Higher studies in technical. Many candidates plan for higher studies after engineering in India or abroad, which unlocks various other options for their career. In India, for MTech, in premier institutes like IITs, IIScs, candidates have to appear for GATE exam and should aim for rank below 1000. Mechanical engineers have a variety of choices for their specializations. Depending on the interest and the score in the entrance exam, they can make their choices. Mostly the specializations available for mechanical engineers are automobile engineering, industrial engineering, thermal engineering, product design and development, engineering design, mechatronics design, mechanical technology. For higher studies abroad in technical, candidates have to appear for a standard test and language test. GRE is the standard test mostly accepted in many universities, while TOEFL is the language test accepted in US and Canada, while IELTS or PTE is accepted in the UK, Australia and New Zealand. Master's program in India, non-technical. MBA after engineering is one of the booming career opportunities and the latest trend followed by many graduates. Candidates can opt for MBA in India through various examinations such as CAT, MAT, XAT, IBSAT, SNAP, etc. Master's program in abroad, non-technical. MBA from various universities abroad is also a career option where the candidates has to appear for a standard test such as GMAT, followed by language test such as TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, etc. Third career opportunity is armed forces jobs. Indian armed forces are Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, release notification for job opportunities, especially for mechanical engineers depending on their requirements. This is the golden opportunities for candidates willing to serve the nation by joining armed force as well as being connected to the engineering branch. Not only graduates, Indian forces avail opportunities to pre-final year and final year graduates through University Entry Scheme, where candidates are selected in the college campus itself and then further called for interviews and other processes. Before going to the fourth option, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Fourth option is boost your qualification with specialization courses. Once graduated, candidates often have an interest in a particular section of mechanical branch, either design or thermal or production. Candidates interested in designing section can go for additional courses postgraduate such as CREO, PROE, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Autodesk, etc. For production section, CastWorks, ASME, or the online certificate courses of GD&T are helpful and give an extra edge to candidates' qualification along with their degree. Fifth career option, moving with campus selection, the most common and one of the easiest option for mechanical graduates. After 4 years of studying and hectic exam schedule, students opt for the campus jobs through the various recruitment drives by companies. Job profile for campus recruitment may be technical or core industries or IT sector jobs to work on mechanical or automobile related projects such as Infosys, Wipro, TCS, etc. Thanks for watching to the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified.